Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest and most insightful product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who wears dental appliances, whether it's a retainer, Nightguard, or denture. We're reviewing the Zima Dental Pod Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner in Sky Blue, which promises to deliver an advanced ultrasonic cleaning experience for your dental devices. Let's see how it holds up. The Zima Dental Pod uses high-frequency 42,000 Hz ultrasonic waves to clean your dental appliances. This technology ensures that your devices are scrubbed free of stains and plaque without being abrasive, making it safe for regular use. It's designed for quick and easy cleaning. Just fill the pod with water, drop in your appliance, activate the machine, and in 5 minutes, you'll have a sparkling clean item. For stubborn stains, the Zima Dental Tablet can be added for enhanced cleaning power. The sleek, compact design of the Dental Pod makes it an excellent space saver while delivering powerful performance. Now, let's talk about how it performs in real-world use. Setting up the Dental Pod is as simple as it gets. Just add water, drop in your dental appliance, and press the button. The ultrasonic waves are virtually silent, which is a plus for those who don't want a noisy machine running in the background. I tried it with both a retainer and a Nightguard, and both came out noticeably cleaner and fresher. However, I found that for heavy plaque or long-term buildup, it took multiple cleaning cycles to achieve a spotless result, even with the Zima Dental Tablet. While the basic cleaning feature works fine for regular maintenance, more stubborn stains might require a bit more patience. As for the pros and cons, let's start with the strengths. The cleaning process is incredibly straightforward, and the results are consistently good for regular use. The ultrasonic technology is gentle yet effective, which helps preserve the longevity of your dental appliances. Another highlight is the ultra-modern design. The Zima Dental Pod is compact and stylish, which makes it easy to leave out on your counter without taking up too much space. On the downside, the machine is limited by its reliance on water alone for most cleaning tasks. While it works well for routine use, it may not be powerful enough to handle serious stains without the extra tablets. Additionally, the device doesn't come with a visible display of the cleaning cycle, so it's a bit of a guessing game to know exactly when the 5 minutes are up. When it comes to value for money, the Zima Dental Pod is fairly priced for the quality and convenience it offers. It's an efficient solution for those looking to maintain their retainers, night guards, and other dental appliances without the need for manual scrubbing or expensive professional cleanings. But considering its limitations in cleaning power for more stubborn stains, it's important to weigh whether its capabilities align with your cleaning needs. Comparing it to other ultrasonic cleaners in this price range, the Zima Dental Pod offers a sleek design and simplicity that sets it apart. While some models offer more powerful cleaning cycles or larger capacities, they often come at a higher price or are bulkier in design. If you're looking for something compact and effective for regular maintenance, this is a strong contender. As for build quality, the Zima Dental Pod feels solid. It's built to last, with a durable design that's compact enough for easy storage. While long-term testing data isn't available yet, the 12-month warranty gives some assurance in terms of reliability. I haven't had any issues with the device's performance during my use, but if any problems arise, the customer service team promises to respond within 24 hours, which is a reassuring touch. If you're seeking a similar product at a lower price, there are other ultrasonic cleaners available that offer basic cleaning features, though they may not come with the added bonus of Zima's unique design and compatibility with the cleaning tablets. So what's the final verdict? The Zima Dental Pod delivers on its promise of providing an easy, effective way to keep your dental appliances clean, especially for everyday maintenance. Its sleek design and simple operation make it a great option for those who want a hassle-free cleaning experience. However, if you're dealing with heavy stains or long-term buildup, you might need to invest in additional cleaning tablets or look for a more powerful cleaner. If this review helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other dental appliance users can discover this helpful guide. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase the Zima Dental Pod in the comments box. If you've already used it, let us know what you think or ask any questions you may have. Until next time, keep your smile shining.